Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We back with another video, and this is a braidless 5-minute install, y'all. So watch how I do this. Look how good this install look, y'all. So cute, look like a full sew-in on it. Well, let's get started. I'm doing some clip-ins on myself today, and I think they are really cute. They from 527 Extensions, www.salon527.net. So what I start off doing, y'all, I just go ahead and part my back off and part the sides off, and then I just really go ahead and start installing these clip-ins. They are so easy, so simple, so cute. So if you want an easy, simple style, order these clip-ins off my website, www.salon527extensions.net, and watch how I go ahead and install these in less than 5 minutes. So you just gonna part off where you want your clip-ins, and then you just gonna really just clip them onto your hair. It's easy. You can take these out every night. You can keep them in. You can wrap your hair just like it's a regular sew-in. Either or. Like, to me, I take them out every night just because they're so easy to put in. But I'm literally just clipping them onto my hair. And you're going to do this throughout the whole install, but you want to make sure you spread your clip-ins out evenly so everything is full. So I'm just making sure that I put enough in the back and enough in the top as well. So I'm going to just go ahead and do the back, and I'm going to let y'all watch me do that, and then we're going to go to the front. Now that we at the front, y'all, you just gonna place them exactly the same way you would place your tracks for a sew-in. Since I'm doing a side part, I want both sides to look really full, so I'm going to place the track over here as well, a little clip in, clip this up, and put my clip in on. It's so easy. In less than 5 minutes, I got a whole new look. Like, that's easy as hell. Make sure y'all shop again at www.salon527.net, and they seamless clip-ins. This is how they come. Now we at the very front, and I like my front to look really full. I don't want no thin sew-in clip-ins. I don't want nothing thin on my hair. So I put more in the very front than I do anywhere else, just so it looks really full. And they come in different sizes, so you'll know where to put what. And we're just gonna add another one right in the front, just for the fullness of it. And look, y'all, it looks just like a sew-in. I suggest anybody on a budget this year, 2024, like me, get some clip-ins. You can wear them over and over again. Like, they look so good. They look natural. They look like a sew-in. And it's an easy install. Now I'm going to go ahead and do me a little bit of layers just so it'll look just like a sew-in, and I want my curls to be a little full. I'm not that good at cutting my own hair, but y'all get it. Like, I'm going to do the best I can, and I'm going to go through and do some long layers in this install, and then I'm going to curl it. just going through with my Babybliss Flatiron, but I'm just flat iron it before I curl it. And I just like to do this so my curls are like really cute and they fall exactly how I want them to fall. You never curl hair when it's curly. So I'm getting all these little bumps and flyaways out of it. So that's why I'm going through with the flat iron first. Now I'm using my bio silk before I do my curls, and I suggest anybody to get this. Now I'm going to use my T3 irons to curl my hair, and these are the bigger irons. I like the bigger curls, the more grown and sexy curls. That's just what it do for me. So yeah, they in my Amazon storefront as well. So I'm going to just let y'all watch me curl my install, and then we're going to be at the end, and that's it. Like, it's just so simple. Less than 5 minutes. Y'all see we at only minute 6, and I'm already curling. So now I'm going to do my edges, and I like to use merge with my edges because I like the soft look. I don't like the hard edges look that Edge Control gives you. So I just use the merge wax, and I get that from the beauty supply store, and it's really simple. I'm just going to curve my edges like I do into a mini C, and that's it. So watch me while I do that real quick. So y'all, whole install done and complete. Like, it's a new install, period. Like, y'all saw what I looked like before, and look what I look like after. Get these clip-ins off www.salon527.net, and make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment, share with your friends, do whatever you want. But make sure you follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for tuning in, and comment whatever videos you guys want next.